So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add how to add body text to your design here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva's opened up, what you have to do is to press on the text icon right here, then scroll down to where it says default text styles, and three options down it says add a little body of text, just like this. So I'll just type in body text right here. Now by default, body text is actually unbolded, 34 in size, and Canva sans font, as compared to a subheading right here. I'll just make this a little bit wider. Subheading just like that, and how this relates to heading just like this. These are all three comparisons right here on what it looks like when you have a heading, a subheading, and body text, simply just by pressing on default text styles through Canva. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add some body text to your design here on Canva using Canva desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.